Hey guys, it's Elle. Welcome back to another video, and as you can see in the title, this is going to be a how to put together an outfit video because everyone has been struggling with putting up together a basic or just a mainstream outfit that everybody wears, and you just wanted to stand out the crowd and pull yourself with some more fashion and more style. And these are the outfits that I usually do, like style with me, some tips and tricks and techniques that I have been pulling off my sleeve ever since then that I have been in love with fashion. I just thought that I could share it with you guys, and the following are my basic outfits or how to put together an outfit. Without further ado, let's start. Okay, so before we start, I'm just so sorry if the audio is going to be very bad, but I really need to film this because if I won't film this, I won't be able to upload the vlog on Sunday, and it's going to be very busy. The weekend is very busy for me, so I'm filming this on Friday, and I just hope the rain will stop now because basta, I really need to film this. So I'm so sorry if you guys won't really like it. I hope you won't mind it. So let's start now. First things first, I just want to establish that you have to think of the outfit you will wear the night before or sometime before the event or the situation happens, because you don't want to stress out or just scramble up and di mo na talaga alam isusuot mo at all. You're just panicking, because that happens to me all the fucking time. As I progress, syempre nahihirapan ako, but the difficulty lowers down kasi mas marami na akong damit, and the choices, the things that I have learned, medyo well-fashioned, whatever. So first things first, I put up together these jeans that I got from Zara. It is actually part of my Shopee haul. It is a brand new Zara authentic overrun jeans. Part of the basic outfit is wearing jeans, plain jeans, denim jeans. That's just really basic. That's the core, outfit of every person, mapababae man or lalaki. You have this in your closet, and it's really easy to pair with plain light denim blue jeans that you have the high-waisted and also medyo skinny fit, medyo stretchy and all. So I chose this one because I know everybody has this, and it is very easy to pair with. Paired it with number one is this sweater that I got from H&M. Those are just the days that you have to wear something comfortable and you just want to chill out. Those days that you have to hang out with your friends or just hang out in a coffee shop and just study. These are very comfortable outfits. Might as well put on a sweater and be comfortable with yourself, diba? Next thing, I paired it with this wonderful, beautiful, stylish, definitely a favorite. It is a smock, long sleeve, white, square neck. The fact that white complements the denim and the jeans is just so beautiful and so timeless. Napapaganda talaga niya yung outfit. It looks so ethereal, and I love just the combination of white and blue, and the rest is history. Let's move on to the next one. I also paired it with this wonderful sando top na kulay army green. It is actually from my best friend. It is from Cotton On, and I figured, oh my god, everything just goes well with denim, diba? And you just have to find the right piece of clothing that goes you're most comfortable with. And as for me, ito sobrang ganda nito, super stretchy, and also it has the little details na knitted and also the zippers and stuff. Wearing that and those jeans, it looks so stylish. It's just basically a basic outfit that you just want to wear when you have nothing to wear. Do you guys get what I mean? Another thing that I paired it with, you guys have seen it, it's probably one of my favorite outfits, like the best tops that I ever own. And this is what I got from my tie haul. It is a plain white lettuce knitted top. It has this tie knot top here and this round neck cut. Baka sabi ko lang, white goes well with jeans. It's the outfit that you have no effort, just have to grab on some sneakers or maybe your flip-flop. Maybe you can get some boots or just plain sneakers. It would look so stylish yet so effortless. Wala ka namang ginawa, diba? The outfit brings it in you, the confidence that you have or the confidence that you will need. So next outfit that I curated for you guys is, alam naman natin na mahilig tayo sa mga statement shirts, like these big brands producing shirts na may malaking logo nila and people really buy it. Kumakagat talaga tayo sa mga ganyan. That's how capitalism works. Oh my god. This top is like everybody has this in their closet. It's maybe not necessarily like an Adidas black, like not exactly like this one, but I know you guys have something like from Nike or from Champion, something statement shirts from H&M or Cotton On, Forever 21 or whatever store you got it. But yeah, this is just a plain black shirt that has like a real big statement text print right here, and it is very easily to pair it with. I know you guys have a lot in this in your closet, in your wardrobe, and it's just a matter of styling it with a pair of bottoms that you will wear. Let's start with it. I paired it with this wonderful something that I got from H&M is this cigarette pants or plaid trousers, and it's like a unisex for me. Sinusuotin to ng brother ko. He really does love it, and I think it's very essential for us to have this kinds of pants because it's not only for casual, classy, but also for formal attire. Sobrang ganda nito once paired with like a white basic long sleeves polo. Sometimes na wala ka na talagang masuot, you can just see it and it would look so pretty without having the effort. Wala, ito lang to. Ano ka ba? Ako lang to. Ano nga lang to? Hindi ko nga to pinaghirapan. Mga 5 minutes ko lang to inisip. Yung mga ganun bang outfit, like... Ka ba? Diyan lang yan, oh. So, next thing that I paired with, another skirt. I know you guys have seen it, pero sobrang love ko talaga to kasi ang ganda ng fit niya. Tapos, sa loob, may short siya. So, you're not really going to be afraid of PH Care commercial something. I paired it with that, and I also know that I'm also aware na black pairing siya. So, you have to wear something na sa baba or sa shoes that won't be black because it's going to be very monochromatic and you don't want to be very basic. But if you guys want that look, maybe you could do like maybe you could wear some high socks tapos black blue boots, or it's a matter of how you style it. It's your choice, it's your life, it's your preference. Whatever you're comfortable of, you just wear it or style it. So last thing that I paired it with, hindi mawawala, of course, the basic white shorts na parang paper bag, plain white. It's not really too revealing, that stuff na parang yung shorts na super duper revealing and enhancing ng silhouette mo and the curves of you. It's not really like that type of shorts. It's cotton kasi siya, and I really like how it feels super duper comfortable. Dan ka lang sa labas, like groceries and stuff, wear the Adidas shirt plus this kind of short. Got it from me, girl. Got it from me. For the next outfit, I actually pulled this out of the box because it is actually one of the vintage jumpers that I own, and I really love this piece. Like, I think I won't ever let go of this jumper. I know it's really hard to see it right now, but you're probably seeing the try-on video, and super duper ganda talaga niya, guys. I really do feel powerful whenever I wear it. Like, sobrang effortless and stylish and, super duper timeless. Like, wow. I'm just glad I own this. This is, by the way, from my mom. And I paired it with this one. Cute talaga niya. This parang rainbow pastel colored turtleneck fitted t-shirt, and I really do love how it complements. Kasi parang light to, tapos ito dark. So, parang pag ginanyan mo siya, it really does complement each other. And I like how dark the denim this one has and how light the colors this one has. So, parang nagko-contradict or nagko-contrast yung dalawang color. And I like it when my outfits really does complement each other, It's the most satisfying things ever for me. Love how it turned out. Noong una, inimagine ko lang talaga siya. And I never thought na ganun yung kalalabasan. So, I'm just so proud of myself. And that's the thing that you have to do with jumpers because it's also easier to pair with. Pero, you have to take or choose the right top to pair it with, okay? So for the last things that I filmed in this video, the last outfits of this video, I actually chose to pair this amazing, wonderful, so fashionable trousers. I just can't believe that I really thrifted this one. Sobrang ganda ng fit niya sa akin. Like, it's made for me. I don't know. Pero super duper high waist, and also the fact that it's hindi siya flared hindi siya yung pag ganyan para lang siyang loose, slack na diretso lang talaga, and I love how it fits me talaga. I have no words for this. Oh my god. really value the essence of trousers because it's like a never-ending style, a never-ending moment for trousers. Like, it's always their time. I really do feel confident pag naka-trousers ako. I don't know why. Compared sa pag naka-skinny jeans ako or shorts, basta I just feel like when I walk, like pag nagfa-flap yung pants mo, it really oozes your confidence eh. Pag trousers talaga suot mo, like these trousers, hands down, whatever you put sa top would really go well together with this. Parang hindi siya black eh, parang navy blue trousers. And I really do love it. Like, sobrang effortless. Kahit na mag-tube lang ako and pair this one with. So I actually paired it with something na para maiba naman because you don't really see me pairing my trousers with sweaters. May Pepsi sweater, cropped sweater na sobrang haba ng sleeve that has Pepsi over it. I'm sorry kung baliktad siya, pero basta kakasuot ko lang yan. I just think that anything that you have to pair with trousers really goes well with it. Like, siya talaga yung nagdadala ng outfit, the whole outfit itself, and I just love how it does that. Like, the power of trousers. I can't believe that. And I really do love how it turned out. Like, it's super duper feel ko yung streetwear vibe, binondo style, like escolta style, like photo shoot at escolta. Oh my god, I really need myself a photo shoot fix. Like, hello friends, hit me up. Sobrang ganda talaga nito. And it really does complement each other's colors. Red, white, blue, kulang na lang yellow for the primary colors. Tapos yung navy blue to complement with the blue and the red and the white. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, so for the last piece of clothing that I paired with the trousers, it is actually this rust-colored sleeveless sandal na v-neck yung cut niya. And I just love how it complements or jives in together with the navy blue colored trousers. And this one is medyo warm toned top. And it's just the darkness of the colors that really jives in together. And I just love how it looks like. So yeah, I guess that's it for the video. Thank you so much, loves, for watching this. And I hope you really did enjoy because I really do love delving into the fashion hauls, fashion videos, basta fashion related. And yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!